Hello guys, it's Lucky75 here from Hardware Heaven channel. Today I want to show you something very special, very interesting. You know that last few months the Bitcoin mining is like a big expansion, a big explosion, and right now the Bitcoin price is amazing high. So today I want to show you one motherboard that is very good for Bitcoin mining. That was ASRock H110 Pro BTC Plus. What is amazing in that motherboard? He has 12 PCI Express slots for graphics cards. So this is a very good. This is a special motherboard for Bitcoin mining. So you can put here 13 graphics cards, which is amazing. Let's see what we have in the box. So we have user manual, which is with nice pictures, and also we have CD-ROM with drivers from ASRock. Here is a plate if you want to put this motherboard in the PC case. We have SATA cables, a small screw from NVMe SSD drive, and that is the motherboard. It is micro ATX form factor. It has 24 pins for power supply, 2 slots for DDR4 RAM memory, 1151 slot for CPU, and 13 PCI Express slots, which is amazing. Also has 4 SATA ports and graphics port, 1 gigs network port, and 6 USB ports. Also it's compatible with old PS2 keyboard and mouse. That's all for today. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Bye bye.